let's start with chapter number 2, climate and season in India. Now, in this chapter, I will tell you about the climate and different seasons. We have different climatic condition and season, like we have summer season, winter season, rainy season, spring and autumn season. The spring and autumn, they are the short season. ये बहुत short period of time के लिए होते हैं. Now, look at the picture. Look at the picture and answer the following question. You have to answer which season do you see in the given picture. You have to tell the season and why do you wear, what do you wear in this season and what do you like to eat in this season. Now, which season do you see? It is summer season. What do you wear in the summer season? We wear cotton clothes. And what do you like to eat in the season? You like to eat ice cream. Now you must have heard your elders discussing about that they are warm, freezing, hot, cold, humid, windy or rainy. Do you know what these words tells us about? They tells us about the weather. ये क्या होता है? Weather होता है. Weather आपको short period of time के लिए होता है. Changes day to day or hour to hour. The condition of the atmosphere that exists in a particular area for a short period of time. It is called weather. The sky might be clear and sunny in the morning, but in the evening it might rain heavily. ये कैसी कंडीशन है? वेदर कंडीशंस हैं जो चेंज करती हैं टाइम टू टाइम. Then we have climate. It is average weather condition of an area over a long period of time, and the climate of a desert is hot and dry. ये एक मेजर रोल प्ले करता है डेली लाइफ में ऑफ द पीपल लिविंग देयर और उनके फूड हैबिट्स को भी, क्लोथिंग को, लाइफस्टाइल को भी इफेक्ट करता है. एंड द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट इज वेदर दैट कैन चेंज इन जस्ट फ्यू आवर, वेयर आर जो क्लाइमेट है इट टेक्स ईयर्स टू चेंज. नाउ सीजन इन इंडिया. ठीक है, वी एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंट सीजन इन इंडिया. इंडिया कहाँ लाई करता है? नॉर्थ ऑफ इक्वेटर एंड द सरफेस ऑफ द कंट्री वेरी फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्लाइमेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स सी द सीजन ऑफ इंडिया. India has 4 main seasons: spring, summer, monsoon. Monsoon monsoon lasts for about 4 months and rest of the season lasts for 2 to 3. And some part of the India have 2 more seasons. What are these? These are your opinion. Now if we talk about summer, it lasts from March to June. Sun rays जो होती हैं, they are directly overhead. देखा ना आपको सन की रेज डायरेक्टली होती है. मे एंड जून दे आर द हॉटेस्ट मंथ. जो सबसे हॉटेस्ट मंथ होते हैं वो ईयर के, वो मे और जून. ठीक है, ड्यूरिंग दिस सीजन द डेज आर लॉन्गर एंड नाइट देन नाइट्स एंड द वेदर इज हॉट एंड ड्राई. जो वेदर है वो हॉट एंड ड्राई होती है थ्रू आउट इंडिया एक्सेप्ट इन माउंटेन. ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन हॉट विंड्स कॉल्ड ब्लो ओवर द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया. और जो कोस्टल एरियाज होते हैं दे आर लेस hot as the cold breeze from the sea keeps them and the humidity is high on these areas. और जो humidity होती है वो बहुत ज्यादा high होती है. People wear light color cotton clothes to keep themselves cool. Fruits like watermelon, grapes and lychee, they have good water content and helps to beat the heat. Then we have monsoon season. Monsoon or rainy season in India. There are mainly 2 types of monsoon in India. Southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. If you talk about southwest monsoon, वो जुलाई to सितंबर. जो साउथ से मानसून हमारा आता है वो जुलाई to सितंबर आता है. और जो वेस्ट से मानसून, नॉर्थ ईस्ट से मानसून आता है वो कब आता है? आपका अक्टूबर टू दिसंबर. द मानसून विंड्स ब्लोइंग फ्रॉम सी ब्रेक. जो सी से आपकी मानसून विंड आ रही है वो क्या लेके आते हैं? Sometimes very heavy rain which cause even floods in some area. Sometimes the rain also fails to arrive on time. उसको हम drought वाला time कहते हैं. उससे क्या होता है जब drought आ जाता है एक तो failure of crop हो जाता है and land become very dry. Like in India, Rajasthan and Gujarat, they both come under dry, which receive very mild rain. Now winter, it is a cold season. November to February are the winter months. The hilly region of northern India have frequent snowfall in the month of January, which is the coldest month. और ये जो days होते हैं shorter होते हैं, nights longer होती है. Winter is bitter cold in north places. The peninsular India, winter season is mild. Animals जैसे bears जो sleep करते हैं during the season. और जो winter sleep है उसको हम hibernation करते हैं और जो bird fly करती है due to weather condition उसको क्या कहा जाता है? This phenomena is known as migration. Like Siberian crane. Now we have autumn. Then that begins when rainy season is over and before the onset of winter. In this season, the sky is mostly clear with little or no rainfall. या तो बहुत कम या बारिश होती ही नहीं है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा cool होता है, pleasant होता है, and many trees shed their leaves. Then we have spring season that begins after winter and are over before the onset of summer. ना ही ज़्यादा hot होते ना ही ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है. It is called Queen of Season and the most beautiful period as the earth looks lush green with new leaves and flowers. Now, our chapter has been completed. We will start with the exercise of the chapter. First is how do various seasons change our lifestyle? Because of different seasons, when there is hot, we like to wear cotton clothes. When it is cold, when it is winter season, we like to wear woolen clothes. In rainy seasons, we like to wear raincoats, gumboots, which keeps us dry. Now, animals go for long sleep called hibernation in winter. Do they also go for such sleep in summer? Explore and discuss. ठीक है आपको एक्सप्लोर करना और बताना है. Now take the correct answer. Change in the atmospheric condition over a long period of time. It is called climate. Next is many trees shed their leaves in. कब shed करते हैं? Autumn season में. Queen of season कौन सा season होता है आपका? Spring season. Now, within the blank, India lies to the dash of equal. India का lie करता है north. The spring season begins after winter and are over before the onset of Dash and Dash had the coldest month of the year. December and January. Dash is the rainy season in India. Monsoon. Dash can change in few hours. क्या change हो जाता है few hours में? Weather. Now changes in year. Climate. Tree shedding leaves कब shed करते हैं? Autumn में. ठीक है. Loo समर में. मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल मैसिंग राउंड में. चेंज इन आवर्स जो आवर्स में ही चेंज आती है वो है आपकी वेदर. नाउ राइट यस और नो. समर मंथ्स आर नॉर्मली वेरी कूल. नो नॉर्मली वेरी हॉट. मॉनसून winds जो होती हैं वो मॉइस्चर कैरी करती हैं. Yes. Agriculture or farming is in India is dependent on rain. Yes. In winters, nights are short and days are long. No. Nights are long and days are short. In the autumn season is called queen of season. No. Which season is known as queen of season? Spring season. कौन सा season को बोला जाता है? Spring season is known as queen of season. Now answer the following in brief. What are the main season in India? We have winter, summer, monsoon, and short season that is autumn. And name 4 fruits we enjoy in summer. Watermelon, mango, ठीक है, apple, and strawberry. What is the duration of monsoon season on in India? आपको duration बतानी है. Then when does the spring season begins? कब begin होता है? After your summer. What is migration? A movement from one place to another is known as migration. G is answer the following question. आपको differentiate करना है weather और climate के बीच में. Then why is monsoon season important in India? Because India एक agriculture economy है और जो farmers हैं they are dependent upon rainfall for doing agriculture. Why spring considered the most beautiful season? Why? Because new flowers bloom. ठीक है, it looks very beautiful at it. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.